snow dolls, just keep watching. Here's what we need to make our Disney Stars snow doll. We need fake snow. Woo! We need a miniature Christmas tree. We need a miniature Disney star, a jar, and some dew. Let's get started, guys. First, we need to stick this Christmas tree on the miniature jar. I'm going to use this tool. First, put this potato dot like this here. Wait. There, that's enough. Tree on top. Just let it dry for a minute. Now let's put this fake snow on the cedar tree. Let's put a little bit of glue for the snow can stick on the tree. Now it's not the snow. Woo! You did this, guys, so it's real. I'm going to put some on my tree. Time to put the tar in, but before we do that, first we need to put fake snow inside here in the jar. I'm going to put a lot. Think about your friends that this is real snow, and you're saying, snow. What did you that can bite in between? Here he is, guys. Time to close the jar. Look at it, guys. Is it so pretty? It's so too. Awesome. Now let's make the off snow doll. Here's what we need. We need fake snow, white glitter, off figure, and some miniature Christmas trees, a jar, and some dew. We also need foam and scissors. Ask your mom to cut a circle with a styrofoam. This circle should be the size of the base of the jar. Yeah, there. Now let's put Olaf on this circle. Put one Olaf and stick it here. There goes Olaf. Now let's add the Christmas trees. But first, let's cover the trees with button snap. Put some dew. Pour some fake snow. First, this one. Now, mommy has to stick the trees on the circle. Wow, it gets patchy. Wow, it's smelly. Exciting! Time to put it in the jar. Just add snow and glitter, and then we're ready to twist the jar. It's a winter wonderland. Now it's add there. To put a lot of glitter. We twist the jar. Is it the snow doll wonderful? Here are all the snow dolls what we made. Olaf, there's Lullabies, waiting my team, Miss Sharon. Guys, what do you think of the snow dolls? Do you want to make some too? Bye below. Bye, peace out!